Hi, this is how you can get help, give help, and earn money on the 10-year series app. To get help with your schoolwork, first ask yourself what it is that you need. Is it a quick reply for a homework question that you have? Or is it study materials for an upcoming exams? Or might it be you need that someone to sit with you and answer your questions along with you? To get a quick reply to your homework questions, post it in the Ask Homework Questions. Your peers have done so and gotten answers within 24 hours. Under the Notes section, you will be able to filter for your level and subject groups and find the relevant materials to help you with your schoolwork. Lastly, to find a suitable tutor, you can look through their profiles as well as the answers they have given to questions so that you can see whether they match your learning style. Now, let's talk about how you can give help. Under the Notes section, what we have found out is that students typically look for specific chapters throughout the year and a list of compiled notes at the end of the year towards their exams. So what you can do for your friends is actually to post both chapter by chapter and also a full set of notes so that it is more organized for people when they need help. If you feel ready to help your juniors with the syllabus that you've gone through, you can list yourself as a tutor. By the way, you have an answer to a question you see in the Ask Homework Questions section. Give a reply so that you can help the person out. Lastly, this is how you can earn some money on the app. Get rid of the clutter from your school notes by listing it as hard copy notes to be sold to your junior. Do include the price in the title. You can list yourself as a tutor and earn recurring allowances. To boost your profile, you can answer questions which will be listed in your profile itself. Join the 10-year series community. Get help, give help, and earn. For any partnerships and collaborations, post on our forum or email us at admin@holderholding.com.